Welcome to the new UI Widgets tutorials. This tutorial is about how to make a slider, also known as carousel. For this you will need scroll view and scroll rect paginator widgets, layout group and content size filter components. First, let's create a scroll view and slides. I will use images for slides. Now we will add easy layout group, a content size filter to the scrolled content game object. For the vertical slider, the settings will be similar, but it will be vertical axis and vertical fit instead of horizontal. All that remains is to add the scroll rect paginator widget and specify scroll rect. Done, the slider is working. If you change the slider size, you will also need to change the slide sizes. For this purpose, there is a scroll rect content resize component that will automatically change the slide sizes. This component is also useful for full screen sliders on mobile devices. You can add buttons to the sliders to move to the next or previous slide. The forward and backward arrows can be moved to the edges. Just create a new game object to add a new slide in runtime. No need for any changes in the paginator. To show this, I duplicate an existing slide. That's all, thanks for watching.